Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. If you're not new here, then welcome back. No, I've been gone for a while. Yeah, but some family stuff happened and all that. I was taking care of it. I've been having problems with the car. I know I've been such a bad YouTuber. I haven't even recorded when I fixed the starter that it was messed up. Now I'm having problems with the window motor, but that's gonna be here in like 2 days. So y'all gonna be seeing this video today, and then like around Tuesday, I think it's because today is Monday. I know I'm uploading late, but then Tuesday I think it is. I'm getting the window motor. I'm gonna make a whole new video, and then this upcoming Sunday, y'all have a new video. And yeah, let's see what we get into. And before we get into all that, so today I'm just gonna put back the lip. I gotta see if I can find fucking spray paint or something. Cause let me focus. Look how bad it is. Cause I had it before. If y'all remember, I'll put a picture on here, and I took it out. Well, let's see. That's what we're gonna be working on today. That and fixing the covers on the interior. So let's see. Let's get it. So yeah, let's get into what I said. I'm gonna clean it first a little bit. Hopefully this tripod holds the weight of the camera. I'm gonna put it somewhere and give you guys kind of like an angle. So let's get into it. And hopefully it looks good in the car. Cause I don't know if y'all seen on my IG, the last post I think it was, I spray painted the wheels again a little bit so it looks better. But I'm gonna put two pictures here, and they help to choose which wheels will look better on it. But yeah, let's get into it. Yep, definitely I'm gonna need another tripod because this doesn't hold the weight of the camera. Well, I mean, it's looking a little bit better. All I gotta do is spray paint it. Then I'm gonna hold on, let me switch the camera. Then I'm gonna just take the bumper out of the car, bring it over here. That way it's a little bit easier, because last time I was a pain the first time that I put it. And let's see if it goes a lot smoother. So I don't know. Alright, so now I'm gonna take the bumper out because I'm gonna take all this shit to the back. Now I gotta take every single one of these pins and look if there's any screw or anything, so I gotta take it out as well. So let's, and probably I'm gonna fix, I'm gonna fix that shit there. I don't know if y'all can see that crack there. Let's see if we can get it fixed today. So yeah, I'm gonna push you guys in that tripod and see. Alright, so let's get into it. Damn, they're in there. Oh, dude. They're freaking in there. There you go. This one wasn't that bad. The other one, that one is the pain right now. Not this one. That one's in the pain, but shit. Those. This one wasn't that bad. If I break it, I'll put a new one. I got a bunch of them right there, but this shit gotta come out. I'll get back to you guys once I get that shit out. He was just being camera shy. I turned the camera off and That shit went flying. But yeah, I'm finna do the other ones real quick. Once I get all of them out, I'll turn the camera back on once I'm taking it out. Alright, so let's see, cause so far I think I got everything done. So now I should be able to grab it and that shit it'll slide out. Let's see. Still got, what I still got? Oh, that right there. Alright. 1 second. I gotta. So you guys are probably not gonna be able to see it. Not right there. Alright, so let's see. Now, that was the blooper, but now I should be able to grab it and it'll come right out. Alright, got it out. Let's get into work. Now I brought the lip back here. I got the bumper over here. G is over there with the focus without the bumper. Still not focusing. Without the bumper. But now I'm just gonna try to put it on the floor and try to like mold it into what I want it, how I want it to fit. So I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod. Maybe over there in a time lapse, maybe. Alright guys, I ain't finna lie, I'm a little bit surprised with the work that I did. Cause look, you see that gap right there? Yes sir. Now it's finna look hella cleaner, hella better. Finna put an old picture of the time that I did it fast. Alright guys, so now finally I can say that I'm happy with the gap, because that's what I wanted, and I got it like that on this side. And kind of like perfectly matching on this side. So now it's gonna look way better. Now I'm just waiting for my stepdad to get back so I can pull the car in and I can work better on it. So stay tuned and let's see what we get into. But yeah guys, you ready for it? It looks extremely better. And I got at least the fitment exactly how I wanted it. So if I'm not mistaken, probably this video is gonna be done here. But thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. And if it's not done in this clip, it's because I'm finna watch it. So we're ready.